Hey everybody, Aaron Shiner here and welcome to another how-to video for Jigglar. I'm really excited about today's short video because we're going to be looking at a brand new template, the 10 reasons why people choose me. Now this document was created with one mission in mind, and that is very simple, to help you stand out in a busy marketplace. This document is really helpful when you're going into those listing presentations where it's a short or a close or a competitive race. So you can use this document as part of your pre-listing kit and you can drop it off before you get there. So this document helps pre-sell you on why they should choose you, or you could actually use it as part of your listing kit and go through it with them while you're there. Or you can use it as a leave behind, so when you're walking out of the listing presentation, it's the thing you leave behind with them. Or the last way you can use it, and it's probably my favorite way, it's the reappoint document where you want to go back and reappoint to go and see them again. And opposed to just ringing them and saying, did you have any questions? This is the document where you can say, hey, I've got this document, I forgot to give it to you. Can I drop it over to you? And that allows another reason to have that conversation with that potential seller. So let me get in and show you actually where it is. So it's just in the new section here, and you will see it just where the A4 portraits are, okay? And you'll see it right there. So let me just go ahead and let me show you how to customize it. So the first thing you want to do is save it, okay? So always save your documents. It will make for a much easier and smoother process. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to go and call this one maybe 10 reasons once it finishes. Okay, so there we go, 10 things, we're good to go. Now the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is change it to my agency colors. So as soon as you go and apply the colors, it will automatically change to the reds to suit. Now you can go ahead if you like and change out the background images and insert your logos and put in your photos, but let's just go ahead and put in my photo. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that silhouette. I'm going to go up to place image in shape, very important, and I'm going to go and select my photo, right? Insert from media gallery. So it's basically done at this point. I will then just go and insert my logo as well. Again, just going to browse my logos pretty quickly. I'm just going to go best agents and I'm just going to insert that one, drop, drag, make it a fraction bigger, and we're basically there. Now, here's the homework. The 10 reasons. Here are 10 reasons that I've included to help you, but your 10 reasons could be uniquely different to mine. So what I would suggest you do is spend some time and think about, if a client was going to hire you, why would they use your services? What makes you stand out from the rest of the pack? Is it because you live locally? Is it because you're a business owner? Is it because you've got years of experience? Is it because you give better feedback and communication than your competitors? Think about what your unique selling points are. What are your unique points of difference? What makes you stand out, and include them on here, because I promise you, being able to identify them and then effectively communicate them with sellers is going to give you a massive advantage in those close races. Anyway, I've enjoyed making this video for you. Keep an eye out for some new videos coming, as we've got some awesome new templates. Get in, create your 10 reasons, and start handing this out to potential sellers who need to see it. Have a great day, list and sell, happy jiggling, and bye for now.